Symbiosis Law School, Nagpur, we understand that the foundation of a successful legal career lies in thorough research and staying updated with the ever-evolving legal landscape. To support this, we offer access to some of the most prominent and comprehensive legal databases in the world. We offer remote and IP access to over 200 legal and other research databases. Our students benefit from leading databases like Manupatra, SCCOnline, Westlaw, LexisNexis, SCCOnline, Gestor, among others, where they get extensive access to a vast array of judgments, statutes, notifications, legal journals, articles, research papers, and ebooks. It helps our students to conduct in-depth research and cite authoritative sources in their legal drafting and case studies. In addition to providing access to these databases, we also offer 30 hours of training sessions on these databases in the very first year of the law school, preparing the students for the global legal industry. Our commitment to using the state-of-the-art resources reflects the high academic standards we set for our students. So, whether you're preparing for your moot courts, internships, or your future legal career, the resources you need are all available here at your fingertips.